Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something many of us don't really think about. Why the clothes we buy seem to lose value the moment we bring them home. If you have ever felt frustrated trying to resell your clothes or wondered why second-hand clothes are often undervalued, stick around. You are about to get some real insights into why this happens and how you can change the way you shop. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the minute you wear a new outfit, its value drops by nearly 30%? Yep, that's right. Today we'll explore the 5 main reasons why clothes lose their value after you buy them. And I'll share how you can make smarter choices to avoid this endless cycle. Now I get it. We all love the thrill of buying new clothes, right? But here's the thing. We have been conditioned to think that once something is no longer new, it's worthless. This mindset not only costs us money but also contributes to the endless pile of unwanted clothes cluttering our homes and the planet. What if I told you that by changing the way we shop, we could actually increase the true value of our wardrobe? Let's break down the 5 reasons why clothes lose value right after you buy them. Number 1. Trends fade fast. Fashion trends change quicker than the seasons. What's in today is often out tomorrow. That trendy outfit you bought last month, it might already be outdated, leading to a lower resale value. Instead of chasing trends, focus on timeless pieces that hold their style.
I have a video on my channel that shows how to pick classic clothes you can wear in different ways. You'll find the link to the video in the description box.
Number 2, wear and tear. Even if you have worn something only once or twice, it's no longer brand new. Small signs of wear like slight pilling or faded colors decrease the item's value drastically. Fast fashion doesn't help. The quality of materials often doesn't last.
Got faded clothes and not sure what to do with them? I have the perfect video for you on my channel. Check it out after this video. The link is in the description.
Number 3, the new obsession. Our culture is obsessed with newness. Many people feel uncomfortable buying second-hand clothes, seeing them as less than even if they are in perfect condition. This stigma drives down the value of pre-loved items. But here's the thing. High quality, well cared for pieces are just as good the second time around. Number 4, overproduction. Fast fashion brands churn out new clothes every week, flooding the market. With so many new options constantly available, older items lose value because people would rather buy new. This is why conscious shopping is so important. Buying less means each piece you own is worth more to you. Buying less means each piece you own is worth more to you. Number 5, reselling struggles. When you finally try to sell your clothes, most people aren't willing to pay anywhere close to what you spent. Depreciation happens fast and you are left accepting much lower prices. It's a tough reminder that buying smarter, not just buying more, is the key to avoiding the trap.
There's a playlist with lots of videos showing you how to sell your old clothes. You can check it out after watching this video.
So, what's the solution? Instead of trying to keep up with trends and buying new all the time, let's embrace conscious shopping. Buy only what you truly love and what you will wear time and time again. It's not just better for your wallet but also for the environment. I challenge you to rethink your wardrobe. The next time you feel the urge to buy something, ask yourself, do I really need this? And if you do, consider investing in quality pieces that last. You'll be saving money, reducing waste, and you'll never have to worry about clothes losing value. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips on sustainable fashion. Let me know in the comments what's the one item in your closet you love the most and why. And don't forget to check out the description box for more resources on how to make your wardrobe work for you. See you in the next video.